So if you're looking for a love seat that is super comfortable, easy to set up, you can configure it in multiple ways depending on the size of your room, you might want to give this a look at. Now, when I did receive it, it came in one box. I just unrolled it on the floor. I took off the wrapping and then I just let it uncompress. It is recommended that you wait 72 hours, but actually I undid this yesterday, so it's only been about around 24 hours and it looks fantastic. Now this is actually 70 inches wide. It's right around 36 inches deep and about 14 inches in height. So that way when I'm sitting on it, it's just a little bit below my knees, which I like. Of course, you can see here it comes in, we've got two pieces here and you can configure this. Like I said, there's 5 different ways. This is just one of them. It also comes with, we got 2 really thick pillows and then we've got 2 nice thick corner pieces here. Now this is the corduroy, and what I like about this isn't square, it's kind of rounded a little bit, so that way it makes it more comfortable, especially when I'm putting my arm over the side. It's easy to clean too. You can just take a damp cloth, just wipe it off that way, or just use a little vacuum to pick up any particles that you've left on there. Now this is high density foam, so as I'm putting my whole weight on here, I mean, it's not sinking in at all, so it's really nice and comfortable, yet it has a firm feel to it. And it also has springs inside of it, just like a mattress would. Also, to help with stability and sturdiness, it does have these bars. There's 1 on each side, 2 on the back. I have the bars go right through these little handles right here. They just slip on through there, and that way, as I'm moving around or just laying on it, it's not going to move at all. And to make sure the cushions do not move, on the bottom of each cushion is a non-slick surface. So for instance, it's real helpful for me on my tile floor. It's not going to move around because when I have family and company come over and they're getting off and on, the love seat, it can tend to move, and this will make sure it stays in place. One thing that's awesome about this love seat is that, of course, you can use it as a love seat, but there's 4 other ways you can use it. For instance, if I have a family come over, they need a place to sleep, or I have grandkids come over, I can take one of these cushions, I can slip it out from the other, and I can make a bed. And that way they can lay on there without having, if you didn't have an extra bedroom, it just makes it so much more helpful. Or depending on the configuration of the room that you're in, maybe you just want everyone to kind of lay on the floor, watch TV, be able to read their books, play on their games or tablets. It just makes it so much easier to do that. So I love this. It's easy to clean, it's very comfortable, and I can configure it multiple ways. When I have my grandkids come over and sleep over, I got a bed too, just waiting for them. Hope you found this review helpful.